Lena, man of the match last week in Brisbane. Williams is back, the captain. Champion de Krepney, the vice-captain. Daly and Ekawasi rounding out the starting pack.
Henry Robson runs the cutter at 9, linking with Ben Donaldson at 10. Out wide, Dylan Peach returns on the left wing. Bailey Kunzel slots into 12 with Hamish Stewart shifting to 13. Former All Blacks and Chris Oates, George Bridge holds the right edge, and Matt Greeley sweeps out the back.
On the bench, it's Dolly, Pearce, Johnson Holmes, Faifua, Harris, Moyano, Kirtley Beale today as well. So it's not quite sure who's going to start in the front row in the one jersey, but Tongiatama, Tonge, Nasila, Silla, Tamani, Wonga, Murray and Whanakaivata.
Finds Lewase and Armstrong in the halves. Droshese gets pushed to the wing with Basiale making his debut in the centres. Vakatawa gets a nod at 12 with Samsam Wandre vice-captaining the side, and fullback is Isikeli Rambitu.
And on the bench, Nolakoto, Tankiri, Tawaki, Tuwai, Salawa, Miramira, Kurovali and Mataeli. Final home game of 2026 in Lautoka for the Drua. They have it on their own 22. Western Force edging towards the line. It splinters.
Go, short! Let the ball come!
And they are short, only centimetres out.
The ball's there. It's slow ball, the ball's there.
Molina. Advantage is being played, and there's the try. Too big, that close to the line. And the Western Force, they are in for the first try. Well taken, they're a man up, and now they're up 5 points to nil. Has to take the tackle, still 5 out. Now it's Murray getting very close. Pick and go here. The referee has a look, it's a try! Try to the Fijian Drua.
Between his legs.
The referee was right there. Wakatawa pops one up to Rumbitu. He shows, he goes, and gets it back on the inside. Samutama floats one over on the inside. It falls nicely for Armstrong Ravula. They're on their feet in Lautoka, a classic Fijian Drua try, and it has been awarded.
What a try. And all that man, Virimi Vakatawa.
Vakatawa doing a good job in the midfield as well, and there's the little interplay with Dorosesi and Vakatawa, and they put it through their hands, and Rambutu puts on a bit of footwork, bamboozles Peach, and Isikeli Rambutu scores the try for the Fijian Drua, just catching the Western Force napping on that far side.
And it's that man, that veteran, Virimi Vakatawa, that's why he comes in. He doesn't look like he's doing much, but once he gets ball in hand, he's very dangerous. And you can just see all the support players coming around, and you can see him here.
One of the legends of the Hong Kong Sevens, one of the magnificent seven. Second half is underway. Drua kicking off. Stewart delivers straight away to Harris. Replacement came on.
No, it was off his foot.
They've got to be very close to the line there, but the referee is saying...
Time off, please. Time off.
I can't see.
What have you got? So, boys, no try.
No
it's
try.
A penalty over here.
So Ebenezer denied a red double.
Boys, just a pillar. Set!
Here's the charge again. Trapped at the back. Another advantage. Being told to use it, and Ekawasi makes a dash for the line, and he's over. They get the result they were looking for early in the second half, the Western Force. James Leckie.
So, boys, no try.
Has spotted it.
Knock on by goal. There's advantage.
Robertson look left and then goes right to Kunzel, and one right over the top to Peach, who had nobody in front of him. A simple run in, try to the Western Force.
They thought they were going to get that try from that scrum, but nevertheless, their backs backed it up. All it was a simple missed pass.
Robertson goes in digging. Pierce can't find a way through. Oh, and it's a wide ball. Over the top it goes, and the cover getting across it is now out to the captain, and he's over. Jeremy Williams backing up brilliantly. It was good vision to go wide first of all, and the scrambling defence got across there first of all, and then backing up was Jeremy Williams, and he is in. Donaldson, short ball. And Beale, it's been everywhere, and it's been intercepted by Bassialo. Fiji schools, Fiji 20s, Fiji 7s, and now he's a try scorer in Super Rugby Pacific. On debut, Isekeli Bassialo. Take a bow, son.
And that's just what they needed. The Drew fans were quiet. They were on their phone.
Good line out and a good setup. Looking good for the Force, and they're over. Under pressure at the other end, and now all of a sudden they get one. And it's a very timely one indeed for Harris. Will Harris.
What a try, and that is it. That's just built up pressure. One thing I said early in the game.
22. Drewer in front. Oh, and it's been kicked into touch. Well, we can let the crowd tell the story for the last time. Ian Lautoka for 2026.